Now we will install Pyqt5. To install Pyqt5, open the command prompt. cmd, type cmd, command prompt, pip install Pyqt5. Now Pyqt5 is installed successfully. Now we have to install Pyqt5 tools. Pip install Pyqt5 tools. Enter. Now Pyqt5 tools are installed successfully. We have to create a shortcut for Qt Designer. Open my computer or open the computer. Go to the local disk C. The local disk, open the users directory. Here we can select the username. We can select our username, office. Here type app data, appdata. Here select local, double click local, programs, Python 39, lib, double click this, site packages, double click this, Qt5 application. Here select Qt5 applications, double click this, Qt, again double click this, bin, here the designer. This is our application. Right click this, send to desktop, create shortcut.